Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to create contact posters on iPhone. Let's have a look. First, open Phone app on your iPhone. Then tap Contacts from bottom menu. From Contacts list, tap My Card. Then tap Contact, Photo and Poster. Enter your first name and last name. Then turn on the button beside name and photo sharing. Tap Edit. Now slide right to left and tap Create New. Under Choose Your Poster, you can select Camera, Photos, Memoji or Monogram. Tap Photos. Now select a photo from your photo gallery to be used as a contact poster. You can swipe to find different variants of the photo poster. Tap on the color button to change color. You can change font style, font size and font color. You can turn on or off depth effect. You can pinch photo to crop. Tap Done and tap Continue. Now you can update contact photo. Tap Customize Photo and select Memoji. Choose one of them and tap Next. Tap Choose. Then tap Update. That's it. These are the steps to create contact posters on iPhone iOS 17. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.